Kash Patel, an American attorney and political advisor, has made headlines with his recent appointment as the director of the FBI. Confirmed by the Senate in a narrow 51-49 vote, Patel's rise to this pivotal role comes after a career steeped in national security and legal affairs. He previously served as Chief of Staff to the acting U.S. Secretary of Defense during the Trump administration, and played a crucial role in the House Intelligence Committee's investigations into Russian interference in the 2016 election. His nomination sparked intense debate, with critics concerned about his potential to politicize the FBI, given his close ties to Trump and vocal criticisms of the agency. During his confirmation hearing, Patel emphasized the pressing threats of terrorism and espionage from the Chinese Communist Party. His swift ascent reflects the ongoing tensions between partisanship and the independence of federal law enforcement, making his tenure as FBI director one to watch closely.